Good morning everyone. My name is Priyanka Soni. I am from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Shankar Vidya Peeth. So today we are going to read the second part of the chapter, A Tale of Two Birds. The book is Back with the Sun. So let me just give you a small brief of what we read last time. That there were a bird and her two babies. They lived in a forest on a tall tree. One day a storm came and it destroyed the whole forest, and the mother bird unfortunately died, but the two baby birds, they got separated, and both of them went in the opposite directions. One landed outside a robber's cave, and the other outside a rishi's ashram. And days passed, both the baby birds grew bigger, and one day a king, he came in the forest for hunting and he was chasing a deer. So while chasing, he forgot that he has entered into the deep forest. So he thought of resting. He got tired and he thought of resting near a tree that was near a cave. So suddenly he heard a voice saying that, quick, hurry up, take his jewels, steal his horse. And so he thought that there is something wrong with this place. So the king rode away from there. Now we are going to start the second part. Soon he came to a clearing which looked like an ashram. Soon he came to a clearing where it looked like an ashram. It was the Rishi's ashram. Rishi's ashram, where the another baby bird fell, that Rishi's ashram. The king tied his horse to a tree and sat down in its shade. He started resting under a shady tree. Suddenly he heard a gentle voice announce. Suddenly, while resting, he heard a very gentle voice. Welcome to the ashram. Sir, please go inside. So he said, the Rishi will welcome to the ashram, sir. Please go inside and rest. He said, please go inside and take rest. The Rishi will be back soon. Rishi will come back soon. So you please go inside and rest, with a very polite voice. There's some cold water. So the king looked up and down and saw a big brown bird in the tree. He saw where the voice is coming, so he looked there, and then he saw there was a big brown bird on the tree. He was amazed. This one looked like the other bird outside the cave. He said to himself, the bird which he saw outside the ashram, it exactly looked like the bird he saw outside the cave. Both the birds were same, because both the birds were brothers, or you can say both the birds were sisters, whatever, they were siblings. Okay, so you are right, sir, answered the bird. The bird said, yes, you are right. He is my brother. He said, he is my brother whom you saw outside the cave, but he has made friends with robbers. He said कि उसने चोरों के साथ में दोस्ती की है. He now talks as they do. He has listened to the robbers, no, what they keep saying, ये लूट लो, वो लूट लो. So he also has taken that same wordings. He doesn't talk to me anymore. He doesn't talk to me. Just then the Rishi entered the ashram. The bird said that my brother doesn't talk to me now. Welcome, sir, he said. Now the Rishi said, welcome, sir, he said to the king, please come inside and make yourself home. He said, please come inside and please make yourself at home. You look very tired, because he had rode very long way in the forest, so he was very tired. So he said, please come inside and take rest. Then you can share my food. He said, then you can share the food with me. The king told the Rishi the story of the two birds and how each had behaved so differently, though they looked so alike. Now the king told all the story to the Rishi, that I saw a bird there. He was announcing to rob all my jewels and my horse. But this bird is different. It is welcoming me in a very soft voice. It's a very well-mannered bird. What is the issue? The forest is full of surprises, he said. Ashram said, the Rishi said, the forest is full of surprises. The holy man smiled and said, after all, one is known by the company one keeps. So he said that what company we keep, no? the people we stay with, the language we hear, the kind of gestures we see, whoever is surrounding us. So he said that the company you keep, no, it is because of that. If you be with good people, you will have good thoughts. If you be with bad people, you will have bad thoughts. That bird has always heard the talk of robbers. He's saying that bird, no, he's always heard the robbers talk. So he talks like them. He imitates them and talks about robbing people. So he always imitates about talking like them, and he always imitates about robbing them. Okay, this one has repeatedly, he imitates them and talks about robbing people. The one has repeated what he has always heard. He welcomes the people to the ashram now. So he says that that bird has always heard about the robbers. He has always heard, okay, rob this thing, steal this thing. So he speaks that. And this bird has always heard about welcoming people. So he always welcomes people. So the main purpose of this story is the kind of company you live with, the kind of people you live with, that depends on your behavior. It is of your behavior what it shows what kind of people you are living with. Okay, if you live with good people, you will always have good thoughts. If you have a bad company, you will always have bad things in your mind and you will always fall into trouble. Okay, so he welcomed the people to the ashram. The bird welcomes the people to the ashram very nicely. Okay, now come inside and rest. I'll tell you more about this place and these birds. Now he said, the rishi said to the king that now you please come inside. I will tell you more about the birds and more about this place. But first, please come inside. So children, the main purpose of this story is that you should always have a good company. See, everybody knows that this is good and this is bad. So when you know this is good then this is bad, so you should never follow the bad thing. And if you have fallen into bad things, you should take help of your elders. Okay, you should never go into bad company. Always have a company of good people. Even try to make the bad ones good with your company. We have so much of power inside us. Okay, so the main conclusion of this story is that always have a good company. And if you have any queries regarding this chapter, you can ask. Okay, thank you.